All right. All right. We are back, and I want to thank everybody for listening to us here. And I want to talk this segment about the mortgage market. I want to help everybody get some information that will help them be productive and benefit them today. We're going to talk about the mortgage market right now. It's tougher and tougher to get a loan today for either your home or business. If you're looking to build something and get a construction loan, that's even more difficult. You go, why, Jim? Why? Because the banks are shifting gears. They haven't been able to get all their money that they put out for construction loans yet, so they're going to wait, and construction money is harder and harder to find for both commercial and residential. You know, there are only a couple of homes being built on spec out on Miami Beach about 18 months ago. Today, a whole bunch more. So there's going to be an interesting opportunity in the spec home market in certain markets. But hey, wait a minute. If you're building in other markets, you may be okay. So it's a market by market situation. And if you're looking to get a mortgage, well, that's something also that's interesting. You know, with Spectra Mortgage, our group, we're one of the oldest and largest private lenders in Florida. We can help you get a mortgage pretty much anywhere in the state of Florida. If it's commercial, residential, probably want to stick to Dade, Broward, Palm Beach, and Monroe counties, but we can help you. If you're having a problem getting your loan done, well, you give us a call at 305-773-6300, and I can give you a hand. I can tell you right away whether or not we can help. Or if you've got a quote from your bank and you want to find out whether it's something that makes sense, is a little bit too high, you can give me a call. I'll tell you whether you got a good deal or not, at least as far as our programs go. So if you give me a call at 305-773-6300, what do you get? You get somebody that can close by year end. You get somebody who cares about you. When you call us, it's all about you. I say it, but it's not a bunch of talk. It's the truth. We'll do a condo loan. We'll do a home loan. We'll do an end loan for a hotel condo unit. If you're from overseas, not a U.S. resident, we'll help you. If you're a U.S. resident, we'll help you as well. If you had a short sale or you had a little bit of a credit score issue, one of our borrowers came to me and he said, Jim, my wife was embarrassed. She didn't show me the credit card bill for 3 months, and then it became a problem, blew up in my face, cost me 100 points on my credit score. Well, I said, look, I can help you. I'll give you a bridge loan. That's another kind of loan we did. I said, we'll give you a loan for a year. In that year, you get your credit up, and our loan will help you get your credit built back up, and then you go and you take us out. You go get a lower cost mortgage, and you go, well, Jim, how come you can do that? I go, because we're private. We have private loans available. We have high net worth investors that work with us every day to customize the loans for people from the United States and also from countries like Brazil, Colombia, Argentina, Venezuela, Russia, the UK and Europe, even places from Asia. We can help all those people get financed. People that come here on EB5 projects, well, we can help them too. So if you've got a creative need for capital for your real estate transaction, if it's residential or if it's commercial, give me a call at 305-773-6300. And I've been in the business for over 30 years personally. I've done billions of dollars worth of real estate on the commercial side. Some of the biggest buildings in town, when you drive up and down the highways or you're having a problem in traffic, well, I'm sorry. But I did some of those deals, and God, if it makes you feel any better, I'm probably sitting in traffic with you. But one of the things that I can do is I bring that expertise to solving your commercial mortgage problems and also your residential problems. You go, residential? Last time I got a loan, it took me 2 minutes. I called my banker, I was done. Hey, try that now. Call your banker. But if your banker gives you the talk back and isn't going to be able to help you, well, then you give me a call at 305-773-6300. We'll work with you. We'll create a customized solution for you, and we will make sure that you close your deal. And yes, we can still close by year end. So give me a call at 305-773-6300. You go, well, Jim, you do private loans. What is that? What a private loan is you can come to us and we will call investors that we know, and they will customize the loan terms to fit your needs. Some people want something called interest only, where they make a loan and all they pay is interest for a while. We can help you with something like that. Other people want something where it amortizes really fast, so they pay it off fast. We can help you with that too. Other people are concerned that they just have bad credit, or they're looking for an extra home. Maybe it's their third or fourth home and they don't think they can get a loan for that. Yes, they can. They fully intended to come and buy all cash in the United States. get that call all the time. Their currency got devalued. Now closing on the units like buying it all over again, and they need a loan. And their developer seller won't let them close. You can't help them. Well, we can. You give me a call at 305-773-6300. Why did I get into this part of the business? Because I saw that the biggest opportunity in South Florida for real estate capital in the coming years, for the next certainly 3 years minimum, is all of those condos that are being built. The highest units, the nicest units, the best units, they will be able to get loans, and we will help them. Other people in those units, they may need to close all cash, and they'll be able to do it. They'll find somebody that'll help them. Could maybe us, it may be another private lender. And then there are the banks. We work with a number of banks that will make a loan in these projects, will make a loan to a non-registered foreign alien, and they'll do so at a rate that's lower than some of those private loans, let's say. Because the rate can be all over. It's something that's negotiated, depends on the paperwork, depends on the borrower, depends on the real estate, depends on a lot of things. People go, Jim, what's my rate going to be? I don't know until I see your paper. So we've got to start working. We've got to create a file, and we'll be transparent. We'll talk to some of these banks, and we'll tell you what kind of a loan you can get. I even say some of the banks are what I call scratch and dent lenders. You go, what's that? They specialize in what I call scratch and dent borrowers, people that had a problem. Maybe, like I said, maybe your credit card got run up and you didn't realize it. Maybe you had a bunch of auto accidents and that impacted you. Maybe you haven't been able to work for a while for whatever reason. All these things impact your credit, and they make you a non-perfect borrower. But if you come to us, we can help you. We can work with you. We'll get you a short-term mortgage. We'll get you a long-term mortgage. We'll get you whatever you think you need, and we'll help you understand why you qualify for things. Because what I found is the most important thing in the real estate business, in the mortgage process business, is helping people feel comfortable that you're out looking out for them, that they're getting the best deal possible. Because unlike me, the people I deal with, they're not in the mortgage business every day. They're not in the market every day. They think that they're going to get taken or have a problem or not get the best deal. So give me a call at 305-773-6300, and I'll tell you if I think you're getting a good deal. Because we talk to people all the time. We help people understand that all the time, and I want to help you get a mortgage. I can help you close by year end. I can help you if you're from overseas. I can help you if you're from the United States. The number one thing, the thought that I want to leave you with is to give me a call at 305-773-6300, because when you call me, it's all about you. Thank you.